All right, clutch cover repair. Let's get to it.
Clutch cover repair. Weld it up. Backside. Inside.
Now I did skip the welding up part and the clamping part of the video. Last time I recorded welding, I kind of broke the camera, so got the rest of it sped up and make the video a little quick for you.
All sandblasted.
Get the powder coating all done. Had to put it up on the air, that way I could get underneath it and put the covers on it, that way I didn't get anything underneath the covers. I'd like to thank y'all for clicking on the clip, and don't forget, hit that like button, subscribe button, throw a comment in there, tell me what you think. This cover is going matte black. As you see at the end of the video, it came out actually rather well. And if you'd like to see any other videos, let me know. Throw it down in the comments what you'd like to see me build, what you'd like to see me powder coat, little tricks, tips, anything else. Much appreciated. "20 minutes later." Make sure you're always wearing your gloves when you take stuff out of the oven. You'll burn the living hell out of yourself if you don't. Learn that the hard way. In a rush, things happen. Nice, pretty.
All done.